This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete other system storage on your Android phone. So what we want to do is swipe up from the bottom, just like this, and go to Files. And we can go to My Files or Files. Both are going to be very similar. Now under here, go to the top right and go to the three little dots and go to Settings. Then we can go down to Show Hidden System Files right here and just turn this on. Now we can go through this different category here to start cleaning things out. So if we want to go to images, we have all our images on here, our audio, our videos, our installed APK files, and then our documents right here. And then here's our downloads folder. So if we downloaded stuff, we could probably delete it under here as well. So we can go through all these different categories and delete stuff if we want. We can select all right here and go to delete. Then we can go back here as well. And we have our internal storage. So you can see I have 38% used. We can go through here and we can start deleting things. So GCIM is probably going to be our camera where we were just going through before. But we have all these different files on here. We could just delete them. So if we don't need it anymore, like here's our recordings, our ringtones, our vaults, we can just delete that file if we want, or the items in that file. So here's the Android folder here. We got media stuff in here. We could just get rid of that as well. So look at all these different categories, and then we got the trash. Once you delete things, go into the trash can and just clear things out under here as well. And then also we can look at our SD card, or we have managed storage devices right here. This will give you some examples of stuff to delete, like if we have duplicate files right here, we have any large files. If we go to the right, we can see our suggestions for our SD card, but we can go on down. We can review the old images. I can save a 578 MB. Then we got clear our storage space by deleting downloaded files. We got our trash can and unused apps right here. So this will give you some suggestions on what to delete. So if you're looking for things beyond just simply deleting some apps and pictures, well, go to this section right here and you should be able to find some other things to delete.